Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video I will be discussing about off-campus jobs and internships from VillageEdge, NetWest and PayPal. Various rules are available for 2021, 22, 23 and 24 graduates. All full-time and intensive opportunities are available for all degree students. All branches can apply for this opportunity. So without any further delay, let's start the video. The first opportunity is from VillageEdge. VillageEdge is hiring for graduate intensive. So talking about the eligibility criteria, the degree which are eligible are BE BTech, ME MTech, PCA MCA, PSC MSc students. Branches which are allowed are CSE IT, ECE, EE, EIE, Mathematics and Statistics. And there is a percentage criteria where you should be having 60% throughout your academic career, and only 2022 and 23 graduates can apply for this job. The skills which are needed to apply for this recruitment are: you should be having a good knowledge in Java or Python programming language, you should also able to write SQL queries, and you should be also having knowledge in Linux and Windows operating system. VillageEdge is hiring for 4 job roles: software development, production management, IT support specialist and site reliability engineer. So talking about the salary and stipend, you will be getting a one-time stipend of rupees 20,000 during your training period, and after the training period is over, you will be offered a package of 9 to 11 LPA with a 6-month salary increment. So friends, in majority of the companies, the salary increment is done in a yearly basis, but in VillageEdge, the salary increment is done every 6 months. So this is the roadmap of VillageEdge recruitment process. First, you have to fill your application form, and if you are eligible, then you will be giving a screening test where the first round will be aptitude and technical assessment, followed by automated and live technical interview, and the final round will be final interview with a document verification. So if you are interested and eligible, then you must fill the registration form by giving all your basic details. Second opportunity is from PayPal. PayPal is hiring for data analyst 2023 graduate. The job opportunity are available in Chennai and Bangalore location. So this is a full-time opportunity. Talking about the eligibility criteria, then the students who are graduating in 2023 with a bachelor's degree can apply for this job. And this is a recent graduate full-time position. So the skills which are required to apply for this opportunity are: you should be having a good knowledge in any programming language with a knowledge in Java, Tableau, Jupyter Notebook, Teradata, Hadoop, Oracle and JavaScript. You should be also having a knowledge in computer science fundamentals, data structures and algorithms. So after applying to this job, you will be asked to complete a skill assessment via HackerRank, where you will be attending the skill assessment, and after that you will be proceeding towards the interview. So for this opportunity, there is no 60% criteria and all branches are eligible to apply. So you must apply for this opportunity. The third opportunity is from NetWest Accelerate. They are hiring for quality assurance intern for a 6 month. Location will be Gurugram, and this is an intensive opportunity. So talking about the skills which you are needed, then you must be having a good knowledge in any coding language like Java or Python. You should be also having a basic understanding of structured query language and Oracle database with a basic understanding in database queries. So during your internship, you will be completing a program of activities to build your skills, and you will be experiencing day-to-day activities. You will be also identifying the appropriate areas and modules for automation and understanding of their application. You will be completing all the relevant learning modules and placement objectives which are agreed by your manager, and you will be also managing your daily activities. The fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is also from NetWest Group. They are hiring for a Java intern for a 6-month duration. Location will be Gurugram, and this will be an intensive role. So talking about the skills which are required during internship are: you should be having a good numerical and logical capabilities with an excellent customer focus and great communication skills. You should be having a good knowledge in Java and Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition and Spring Boot technologies with a basic understanding in structured query language. And if you are having a knowledge in cloud, AWS and Google Cloud Platform, then it will be an advantage for this internship. And during the internship period, you will be completing a program of activities to build your skills and experiences, and you will be also managing and working in a day-to-day activities. You will be also learning a core module and a development so that you can complete all the day-to-day tasks which are required to complete projects and any presentations. And as this is a Java internship, then you will be coding in Java and working in a Spring Boot platform, and you will be also completing all the relevant learning modules and placement objectives which you are assigned by the manager, and you will be also managing your daily day-to-day activities. So for both the NetWest Group hiring for quality assurance intern and hiring for Java intern, the deadline for this application is 5th March 2023. So you must apply before that. If you are having any doubt, do comment down below. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share with your friends, those who are in search with off-campus job opportunities, and consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.